Hazrat Ali mentioned about sustenance as a rizqani rizqun tatlubuhu wa rizqun yatlubuka. There are two types of sustenance. One is which you search for, and the second is one which is searching for you. For illam tatihi ataka. If you don't go near it, then it will come to you. According to Surah Al-Isra, ayat number 30. Inna rabbaka yafstu rizqa liman yasha. Indeed, your Lord extends provision for whom He wills. Man hasuna birrahu ahla baytihi zida fi rizqihi. One who behaves well with his family, his sustenance is increased. عليك بالدعاء لإخوانك بالظهر الغيب. It is necessary for you to pray for your brothers, فإنه يزيد الرزق, because it increases your sustenance. Don't consider your sustenance as all little, otherwise you will miss out more. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, good manners, good neighborliness, not bothering others, and talking less are the reasons for increasing sustenance. Dum ala taharati yuwassa'u alayka fil rizq. Always be clean. In this way, your sustenance will be enhanced. Get out in search of sustenance early in the morning, because there is success and blessings early in the morning. Burikal ummati li buriha. The blessing for my ummah is in waking up in the morning. Imam Zainul Abidin prayed for sustenance as Allahumma atini sa'ata fi rizq. Ya Allah, give blessings and expansion in my sustenance. Waj'al awsa'a rizqika alayya iza kabbirtu. And when I grow old, grant me ample sustenance.